Hi everyone! Today we're going to make these cute little characters out of pipe cleaners. Are you going to make a butterfly, a dragonfly, a snake? What are you in the mood for? Maybe you're going to make something unique that I haven't even thought of. Where you can be creative and have so much fun with this. Let's jump right into it. So, depending on what you want to make, there's a lot of things you can do. The basic techniques are string your beads on a pipe cleaner, and whenever you want to make a section stay together, you give it a twist. Okay? And then you can even take two sections that are in different areas and you can twist those together to get them to stay together. Easy. So I think I'll show you how to make a butterfly. So I'm going to take, let's see. No, I will stick with these two purples. It might be fun to have different color purples. And we can string our beads on. Now, I'm running low on beads. This is my little ending supply. So I'm not going to put a ton of beads on mine, but you absolutely could put a lot of beads on here. As long as you leave room for yourself to twist at the end. Whoops. Just leave room to twist and you can put on so many beads till you absolutely fill this up. I just don't have enough anymore. So I'm gonna go for just enough on. And I'm reusing my pipe cleaners. So some of the little beads might be a little grouchy about coming on because they're a little twisty. You could even use bells. I used a bell at the end of my snake to make it a rattlesnake. And there's things you could do with more supplies too. So if you had a hot glue gun, some of these characters would look amazing with some googly eyes hot glued onto them. That's always another option. All right. So I have a couple beads on. I could spend more time adding beads, but I think this gives you the point. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take them and I'm going to hold them a little bit before the end so I have some room for antennas and for attaching. Then I'm going to take this and I'm going to split it in half. So put it half down here. Then I'm going to twist one side to make the top wing and twist the other side to make the bottom wing. Actually, I might even do it the other way. So this might be both the bottom wings since they're different colors. So now I'm going to take the other one. Kind of makes like a little bow. And same thing. I'm going to hold both the bottoms. I'm going to split it in half. I'm going to twist one side. And I'm going to twist the other. Now I'm going to put these together. And I'm going to twist them around each other. I think I'm going to do it like top and bottom. So then I'm going to take this and I'm going to hold the two light purple ends. I'm going to twist them around the two dark purple ends. Good. So I have a couple twists to keep it nice and strong. Now I'm going to pick which antennas I want to stick out. I think I'm going to do it like this. So the light purple is the top wings. I think I'm going to do one purple antenna that's the darker purple and one lighter. Perfect. And there we have a little butterfly. Cute. And you can see it ended up a little different than my first one. So that's pretty simple. And a snake, even easier. So we take it, we add a couple beads onto our snake, however many we're in the mood for. And I try to make sure I have a good couple at the head. All right, add a few to the bottom. Perfect. And I'm going to add a bell too. So this is going to be the bottom of the snake, and I'm going to twist the bell on to make this a rattlesnake. Then I'm going to take 3 beads near the top, and I'm gonna twist around the bottom to make that the head of the snake. And I'm gonna take the body and I'm gonna swirl it. And just like before, you could add so many more beads to this. Don't feel like yours has to have just a couple just because I'm running low on beads. Yours can have plenty. And I could even do something like cut a little bit of red and stick it on to be the snake's tongue. I could huckle on googly eyes. That's basic of a snake. And last but not least, you could even make a dragonfly. So for a dragonfly, we're gonna make the wings very similar to the butterfly, except instead of 2 same size wings, we're gonna make 1 little and 1 big. Twist, 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 twist. And same thing on the other side. Hold a little side, 1 little, 1 big, twist, 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 twist. And instead of going around itself, we're going to do it going around a base. So I'm going to do some little rolls to make a nice little head. And I could add some beads, but in the interest of time, I think you know how to put on beads. I'm just going to make a little loop for the tail end. Then I just twist my wings around, and I'm going to make sure the big side is on top, closer to the head. And twist those ends around to keep it nice and tight on. And the other set of wings, twist them around. And there we have the little dragonfly shape. Oh, you can tell these pipe cleaners have been used for other projects before. They're a little wobbly. I hope you have some new pipe cleaners to look a little neater. But that's it. That's the basics. Whether you make dragonflies, butterflies, or snakes, I hope this gave you some new techniques to play with as you make these. I hope you have fun, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.